Hey there, bonsai enthusiasts. Welcome back to the Bonsai Barn. Winter can be tough on bonsai trees, but with the right care, your tree can thrive even in the coldest months. Today I'm sharing our top tips to protect your bonsai from frost and cold weather. Whether your tree is indoors or outdoors, these seasonal tips will keep it healthy and strong. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and ring the notification bell so you never miss our bonsai care videos. Let's get started. First, we need to understand your tree's needs. The first step in winter bonsai care is understanding your tree's species. Is it tropical, subtropical, or temperate? Tropical and subtropical bonsai need to stay indoors where it's warm, while temperate trees can tolerate some cold with proper preparation. What type of bonsai do you have, and where do you keep it in the winter? Let me know in the comments. Next tip is to protect outdoor bonsai from frost. Outdoor bonsai are hardy, but frost can damage their roots. Move your bonsai to a sheltered spot like a cold frame, unheated garage, or a spot near a wall for extra protection. You can also mulch around the pot to insulate it. Quick tip: avoid sudden temperature changes, they can shock your tree. Our third tip is monitor watering. Watering is critical in winter. Overwatering can lead to root rot, especially since bonsai need less water when dormant. Check the soil regularly, and only water when it's slightly dry. Now for indoor bonsai tips. If you're caring for indoor bonsai, place them near a bright window but away from cold drafts or heaters. Use a humidity tray, or mist the leaves to combat dry indoor air. Remember, indoor bonsai care involves managing light, humidity, and watering carefully. Lastly, inspect for pests and diseases. Winter is the perfect time to check for pests and diseases. Look for signs of unhealthy bonsai, like discolored leaves or unusual spots. Catching issues early can save your tree. And that's it, your guide to keeping bonsai healthy in the winter. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the Bonsai Barn for more bonsai care advice. Have a winter bonsai care question? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to help. Thanks for watching the Bonsai Barn. See you next time, and happy bonsai growing.